Hello everyone, today we will see about operators in C++. In our previous video, we already discussed about what is operators and what is arithmetic, logical and relational operators. I paste that video link in our description bar. Before seeing this video, you need to complete our previous session, then it will be easy to understand. Let's get into the topic. Today we are going to see about bitwise operators. What is bitwise operators? Bitwise operators is an operator to perform bitwise operations, which is each individual bits to be manipulated by using this operator. Bitwise operators are classified into three categories. First one is logical bitwise operator, and second one is bitwise shift operators, and third one is the bitwise ones complement operator. We will see one by one. First, we will see about what is logical bitwise operator. Logical bitwise operators is same as logical operators. Bitwise and bitwise OR and bitwise exclusive OR is called logical bitwise operators, which is used to perform logical operations. Bitwise AND operator return true only if the both operands have the true value. Next, bitwise OR returns true if one of the operand having a true value. The last one, bitwise exclusive OR, will return true only any one of the operands is having the value true. If both the operands are true or both the operands are false means it returns false. Now listen, we have two operands A and B. First we will see the operations of AND operator. The rules of AND operator is it returns true only if the both operands is true, which means 1. Now A and B is 0, which means false. So the AND operator returns the value false. Second, A is 0 and B is 1. So the AND operator returns the value 0. Third, A is 1 and B is 0. So the AND operator returns 0. The last one, A is 1 and B is 1. Both operands is 1, which means true. So the AND operator returns the value true. Next we will see the operations of OR operator. What is the rule of OR operator? It returns true any one of operands is true. So see this table. First A and B both is 0, which means false. So the OR operator returns false. Next, A is 0 and B is 1. So the OR operator returns 1. The third, A is 1 and B is 0. So the OR operator returns 1. The last one, A is 1 and B is 1. So the OR operator returns 1. Next we will see the operations of exclusive OR operator. We can call it as an XOR operator. If the both operands are same means it returns false. Otherwise it is true. There are two bitwise shift operators in C++ programming. First one is shift left and second one is shift right. First we'll see the shift left operator with an example. Shift left operator is used to move the digit into the left position, which is assigned by the user. The empty place which is filled by 0. Shift right operator is used to move the number of bits into the right position and the empty place is filled with 0. Bitwise ones complement operators is used to given the inverse value of the actual value. It changes 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Assignment operator is used to assign the value for an variable. 5 assignment operators are given here. First one is addition assignment, and second one is subtraction assignment, third one is multiplication assignment, fourth one is division assignment, and fifth one is modulus assignment. For example, assume A is equal to 1 A plus is 2. A minus is 0. Likewise, it performs all the basic mathematical functions. Conditional operators is also called ternary operators. As I told you already, ternary operators are performed with 3 operands. This operator is used for an alternate for if-else statement. We'll discuss it later. Now we'll see about the other operators in C++. First, the comma operator. Comma operator is used to separate the expression by using commas. Second one is size of operator. It is used to return the size of a variable. Third one is pointer. Pointer is used to hold the address of another variable. Fourth one is component selection. It is used to select the data members of a class. And last one is class member operators. It is used to access the public members of the class, which is classes, functions, and data items, etc. In this video, we'll discuss about what is bitwise operators and what is conditional operator and what is assignment operator and the other operators in C++. Thank you friends. We'll see you in our next video.